Hi, I'm Sakshi Khullar, born, brought up, and based in Jammu. And my work is all inspired by nature. And I have this deep inclination and love for our Indian culture and the architectural heritage of our country. My journey started back in 2020. I left that job, I left everything, and I started working on my passion, which was painting. I opened a studio. Well, so this is some story. I enjoyed working in studio. I learned a lot while painting. So 2020, 2021, it was all about my studio, me teaching my skills, my tips and tricks to the people who used to come to my studio. So beyond limits for a masterpiece, I think this line is just meant for me. I love mountains. I have this connect with the mountains, with the nature. So yes, beyond limits for a masterpiece, I think I have pushed myself. I've come here all by myself. I love everything about nature. I connect so well, and since I also have an inclination towards our Indian contemporary, I try to incorporate both the things onto my paintings. And I'm very, very grateful to this show, Spectra and Uniball, for having me. And I'm completely excited for all the activities. And the show is completely different. I mean, I was sold when I was told that you as an artist, you have to go, no drama, no acting, you just have to go to the mountains, you have to express yourself. So I was completely sold there, and I said, yes, I'm doing this, I am coming with you people, and I would love to do this because this is one of its own kind, and I haven't heard this concept ever before. And yeah, I'm looking forward. So the location here, it's completely mesmerizing. I'm all surrounded by mountains, and I'm so grateful that I'm here. I love the nature, I love the environment, I love the people here, and I'm so looking forward to traveling with the whole team and doing all the tasks and painting just here.